In this video, I will show you how to add social links on Roblox profile. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Roblox. I'm currently signed into my account. So once you're here on Roblox and you're logged in, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and you want to click onto this gear icon, and then from the menu that comes up, you want to click onto settings. So what you now need to do, you're going to be on your settings page. You want to make sure you're on account info. If you're not, come over to this menu on the left hand side and click onto account info. From here, all you need to do is simply scroll down towards the bottom of the page, and as you can see, here is the option to enter our social links. Now you want to make sure that this box at the bottom where it says visible to is set to everyone. By default it's set to no one, but you want to change this to everyone. And then what you can do is add your links into here. So you want to put, like, for example, www.youtube.com, and then you would go ahead and put your channel name into here. Now you can do the same for Facebook, Twitter, Twitch and Guilded if you have any of those accounts. Once you've done that, just come down and click the save button to apply your changes. As you can see, it's going to say saved successfully. So now we can go ahead, press OK. And now if we come over to this menu on the left hand side and click onto profile, you will notice we've got our YouTube icon because I've just added my channel here. And if we click onto this, it's going to take us across to the YouTube channel. So that's not actually my channel URL. When you've entered that, you're going to get your icons appear on your profile. So that is how to add social links to Roblox profile. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.